everyone, I am here to tell you more about the Strings Rock Orchestra debut. We have been invited to perform on an online showcase. It's the same showcase that the 2019 The X Factor Australia winner is also performing on, and it will be broadcast on July 5th. As you know, we've been asking you to send in your videos playing along to the track that we call the Twinkling. It's the rock version of Twinkle Twinkle. So what will happen is all your performances will be mixed into the one video. Everyone will be playing together. The sound will all be mixed so that you can hear everyone playing together, but you can also see everyone playing in small screens in the one music video. So the aim is just to sound like an orchestra. So what we need you to do is practice with the backing track or the YouTube video of the Twinkling, whatever you're more comfortable using. The reason we need you to do that is because the backing track is the glue that holds everyone together, because otherwise we could all be playing at different speeds and we wouldn't be able to match up all the sounds. So we need something that's the same, that everyone will listen to while you're playing the Twinkling. So if you have a problem, I know we said that it would be great to have everyone playing with headphones, because it means that we would only be hearing your instrument rather than your instrument and the backing track. But if you are having massive problems, like I think the violinists may have issues with trying to play with headphones and hold up the violin, and there could be phone accidents, etc., with the phones falling off music stands, so we don't want that. So if you are having huge problems with using the headphones, please just let us know and you can just record it without using headphones. The main thing is, really, we want you to look like you're having loads of fun, because the main aim of this is to get across that feeling of fun and rock and roll, and we don't want you guys worrying about making a mistake. Just let go, and even because it is a long piece to play, and even if you feel like you're after messing up, like if you've been working on it for ages, the recording of it, and you feel like you're messing up, please just don't keep stopping. Just try and get through it, and even if there is a mistake, you know, please don't worry about it. It's not about perfection here. We're all learning. The deadline for having your videos in to us is June 26th at 6 p.m. We just need to have enough time to be able to get all the videos edited into the one video. If you have any questions, please let us know, but there will be a link. We will send you all a link. We're going to make it even easier than the YouTube link. We're just putting all the details into a link to our website, and it will be self-explanatory because we want you all to know what we're doing and what we're taking part in. So best of luck to you all and enjoy this, okay? Because it's going to be so much fun. Bye.